We're doing a review of the Smith & Wesson Model 645 airsoft gun. This gun came all black, but we spray painted the slide silver. We got 4 mags for it. Spring powered, so you have to pull back the slide every time. It looks like a 1911.
Well, that's what we've made it based on. Try to look like the best. It's got safe fire.
The grips just snap off here, so if you want to paint it.
Somehow it came off when we did it. It shoots about probably 300, maybe a little less, with the 12-gram BBs.
The slide release, or the mag release is right here. Just push that and the mag comes out.
Safety. You know, it's just a nice gun, pistol.
Okay, we'll do a shooting test here for you.
Yeah. Sit the one up in the chair.
Okay, we'll be shooting at the cannon.
If you can see here, it's got very good speed.
The slide isn't too hard to pull back.
No, it's nice. It's just, but the only problem I had with this gun is when I drop like my mag to put another one in, this piece right here would break. So like here, yeah, like that one he's holding. What I had to do is I couldn't get the spring back in. So you see how it slides? Well, if you got that problem, I just super glued this on, super glued it here, super glued it around, as you can see. And then when you just reload it, here I'll shoot a couple, show you how. Here, I got BBs all over. See how they just fall in here? All you really gotta do is cock it upside down. It shoots. Upside down, it shoots. That's the only problem I had. Otherwise, this gun shoots good.
We'll do some more reviews on some other pistols and other guns. Please subscribe.